What's going on, guys? It's Eddie with DIY Basics. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go over single pole switches. I have a previous video on three-way switches, so you can check that out. But the single pole switch is pretty straightforward. You can see here on a single pole switch, it has two gold terminals. There's going to be power coming in and power going out to your fixture. Then you have the ground. If you can see here on your switch here, it also indicates off and on. Okay, so that gives you an idea of how it should be oriented. Let's just go over real quick how we would wire this. Pretty straightforward. You have your power source coming up, and then you have your power going out to your light. So you're always going to put your neutrals together in the box. You're always going to tie all your grounds in the box. Then you're going to create a pigtail to your ground screw. The black leads are always going to go to your gold terminals, and it doesn't matter which one it goes to. So it's going to be pretty straightforward. All right, I'm going to turn on the power, and then I'm going to show you that we in fact have a working switch. All right, we're back. We have power. Check this out. See that? Working properly. Pretty straightforward, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this now. The power's off. I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect this and show you that if you orient it in the wrong direction, what it will look like. So it'll be a clear indication that it's not oriented properly. All right. All right, so this is the way it's supposed to be. All right, you see on, you see off. If you have it in this direction here, you can see it says no. So it's clear indication that it's upside down. It says no. So something you want to look at when you're installing it. This way you don't have to take the wires apart and do it over again. It's a quick, easy fix, but you don't want to be having to do the job twice. All right, guys. I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you on the next one.